Today I want to take a quick look at the Dahua PFA150. Hey there, how are you today? If you're new to the channel, I'm Sean with Accent Alarms. I have about 25 years experience designing, installing, and servicing quality, long-lasting automatic gate systems. By automatic gate system, I mean I work on gates, gate operators, cameras, access control, and wired and wireless connectivity. And I've recently added video production to the list of things I do. I'd love to get your feedback, good or bad, down in the comments section, and please take a second to click on that subscribe button. It really helps us out when you do. Keep your head on a swivel and be safe out there. So let's take a look at what we have here. We've got the Dahua PFA150 camera mount. It's a pole mount, and it's made of aluminum. It's got a nice solid feel to it. Here's what came in the box. And what we have is the mount, 3 straps, some 4 M8 bolts with Allen heads in them, 6mm Allen wrench. They do come with the lock washer and washer, stainless, 4 of them, and it comes with 3, I call them hose clamp bands. And what I would typically do is use bandit bands myself. I like those more. They're sturdier. You got to have the tools, but these will work. And see, is there's a bunch of threaded holes here. And what we can do with this mount is it would pole mount. We'd use our straps, mount it to the pole, and then we could mount this to that pole mount. What I don't like about that is you've got this big hole back here, and you're going to get some critters and probably some moisture in there. What I would do, if it were me, is I would mount this on here, and you can see the holes line up. You would just thread those in, and I'd put an 1¼ inch plug on this to cover that hole up. And then what I would then do is mount this to that and bring my cables in through the bottom through this conduit fitting. Now if you're just running cable wild anyways, then I don't see why you couldn't do that, but I like to put things in conduit. So again, we're looking at the Dahua PFA150, and it has a minimum advertised price of about $32. And if you see it for less than that, it's probably from an unauthorized dealer. That's about all there is to it. Hey there, I'm Sean with Accent Alarms. Keep your head on a swivel and be safe out there.